This is a video on how to create a new design using the DriveWorks Pro Administrator interface. The Specification Explorer is where new specifications are created from projects and existing ones are viewed and modified. With DriveWorks Pro open and a group and a project already open, go to your Specification Explorer from the Task Explorer. Click onto the Refresh button from the command bar and then click onto the New button. Fill in and complete all of the form controls by entering your information and then clicking on the Next button. When you've finished entering all of your information in the forms and you've finished the specification, click on Release to add the specification to your Specification Explorer. You can see the specification has been added to the top of the completed specification list. Minimize DriveWorks Pro Administrator and go into SolidWorks and open up the group that you generated the specification from by clicking onto the Open Group button located on the command bar, then click Finish. Fill in the username and password for the group, and then click on Log On after entering in your login details. Now click on Refresh and then the Model Generation button, which is also located on the command bar. The DriveWorks Model Generation dialog box lists all the models and assemblies that are currently in the queue to be generated. To reach the Model Generation queue, a specification must have been released during specification or from the pending state in the Specification Explorer. You will see that there is a specification that is in the list waiting for the models and drawings to be generated. This is the same specification that we have just created. Put a check in the box and then click onto the Generate button to start the model generation process. The generation of the models and drawings will now start. DriveWorks will resize all of your models and drawings according to the information that you entered onto the forms within DriveWorks Administrator. Once the model generation is complete, the Report Results box will appear where you can open up individual specification reports to view them. Click on OK when you have finished viewing this dialog box. Then click on Close on the Model Generation dialog box. If you go back to DriveWorks Pro Administrator and click on the specification that the models have been generated from, then click on the Open Folder button from the command bar, this will bring up the file location of the data and content for this particular specification. Here you will see that you have access to all of the SolidWorks models, SolidWorks drawings, and SolidWorks documents. Go into the models and open up the newly created top-level SolidWorks assembly model within SolidWorks. You will notice that this is being generated according to the inputs that you entered in the form controls when you generated the specification. For more information, click on the Help button anytime whilst using DriveWorks Pro, or visit the online help file which can be found at docs.driveworkspro.com.